Thanks for your help, Billdozer.
You're welcome, my friend. You'll have to excuse me.
You went really fast, huh? Wait, what are you doing?
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Bob. Billdozer has made a mess here.
Huh?
Your help.
Billdozer? That can't be right. I saw it with my own eyes. Don't worry, Bob. We'll get to the bottom of this.
Hi, Johnny.
Tigears, Bob says Billdozer is causing chaos. Can you investigate what's going on?
Sure thing. Wow, what a mess!
Oh no, he's back!
Phew, I needed that, huh? Hey, what's going on? Billdozer, you're under arrest for wrecking the construction site, but I just came back from the bathroom. Huh? You're making a mistake. I'm sorry, Bill. I got another emergency to attend to. Huh? Eh? Huh? Hey, you! What are you doing? I have an evil twin. That's why everyone's blaming me. This is horrible. I have to stop him. Stop it, Bill! How did you get away from jail? Well, I broke it. Wait, 2 Billdozers? That's right. That phony wrecked everything and put the blame on me. Come on, Tigears. He's getting away. I know what to do.
Hi, Tigears. Did you stop Billdozer?
I'll explain later, Johnny. I need your help now.
All right. Activating power up.
Yes! That's more like it. Here's the plan. You start throwing things at your evil twin to slow him down, and I'll take care of the rest. Missed me? Be careful not to crash. Tigears, now! Bullseye!
We finally locked up the right guy.
I'm sorry, Bill. I should have trusted you.
Don't worry about that. But don't take your eye off this guy. If I broke out of here, so can he.
And 10 wins in a row. Tigears 10, Crocodile 0.
Come on, Tigears. Let's race again.
Let's do it tomorrow. Now it's time to sleep.
Tomorrow, huh? I'll be prepared then. I must beat him.
Crocodile, we've got an emergency. Vicky's wreaking havoc in the city again, and I need you to go there right now. Understand?
Yes. All clear, Johnny.
Are you sure, buddy? You look a bit tired.
Huh? Oh, this is not good. There's Vicky.
Looks like someone didn't get enough sleep last night. That will wake you up.
You'll see.
Hey! I'm on your side, Draco!
Sorry, I won't miss again. I'm so tired.
Oh, not cool, man. Well, this just got boring. Vicky, out.
You won't. Get away. No.
What's wrong with you? You almost hit me!
I'm sorry, Poogie. I didn't mean to do this.
Crocodile, did you arrest Vicky?
Not exactly.
What do you mean, not exactly?
I didn't sleep last night and I couldn't do it. I'm sorry, Johnny, but could you send someone to help me?
All right, but I hope you learned the lesson.
Hi, Johnny.
Tigears, Crocodile is having problems with Vicky. Can you help him out?
All right, boss.
Crocodile is really out of shape today. Lucky me.
Well, your luck is over now.
Look at that. The kitten just joined the party.
Give me a hand, Draco. You know what? Sit this one out. I'll take care of this.
Okay, pal.
My turn now.
Come on, it's not fair.
Mission accomplished.
for this Anima, fools. You'll see.
We're done here, Tracko. So, what about that race we talked about? Give up, Vicky! You'll never activate that doom machine!
But I just stole the tool to make it work and I worked so hard on it. Can I have some fun?
Come on! Not now!
See you later, kitty cat. Doom machine, here I come.
If I don't do something, she'll get away!
Hi, Tigears. Is everything all right?
Jonny, I need your help! Vicky's about to do something really bad, but I got stuck in mud and I can't chase her!
Roger that. Help is on the way.
Hi, Johnny!
Badfly, Crocodile, Vicky is out there causing trouble and got Tigers stuck in mud. One of you needs to stop her while the other helps our friend.
All right, I'll take care of Vicky.
Tigers is stuck in mud? Oh, I want to see that.
Crocodile, I'm so glad you're here!
Of course you are. Don't worry, pal. The best AnimaCar is here to save you.
Alright, you're the best. Now help me!
Okay, let's go.
Okay, Tracko, stop goofing around and start making an effort now.
Oh, this is gonna be harder than I thought. I wonder how Batfly's doing.
Don't you ever get tired of stopping you? That never gets old. Huh? Let's get to the basics then. Huh? Ouch! Are you crazy?
Come on, Tracko! Just call Jonny to activate your power-up!
No way! I'm the best AnimaCar! I can do it on my own!
Crocodile, how are you doing over there?
Me? I'm crushing it like always.
Glad to hear that. Because you'll have to chase Vicky now, and she's really close to her lair. That knucklehead broke my engine with rocks.
Oh, this is bad.
Come on, Tracko! You know what you have to do!
Crocodile, how's the mission going?
I need your help, Johnny. We don't have time to lose.
Sure thing. Activating power up.
Yes! Now we're talking!
It's working! Keep going, Tracko! Yes! Great job, pal!
Sure. But we still have work to do.
This is over, Vicky!
Oh, is it? You can trap me, but you'll never stop me.
Don't be so sure.
Huh?
Mud got us in this trouble, and Mud will get us out of it. No one's more loco than the Croco.
Hey, did I miss the party?
Badfly, you should have seen Traco. He was amazing.
You weren't too bad either, my friend.
My baby! My beautiful baby! I'll make you pay, Anima Dum-Dums! I'll make you pay! Come on, let me out! What's wrong with stealing ice cream after all?
Cry all you want, Vicky. I'm in charge while Tigears rests, and I won't let you out.
We'll see about that. Help me! There's a spider in my cell!
A spider? Don't worry. I'll catch it. Where is it, Vicky? I can't see it anywhere. Oh!
What an anima fool! You fell into my trap!
Hey! You let me out!
You'll have enough time to find that spider now!
I need help.
This is Johnny, ready to help.
Johnny, it's Wheelafant. Vicky trapped me in jail and escaped. Can you help me out?
Don't worry, pal. We'll get you out of there.
Hi, Johnny.
Tigears, Crocodile. Vicky escaped from jail, trapping Wheelafant inside. Crocodile, you go release Wheelafant while Tigears catches Vicky.
I couldn't get some sleep yet, but I'll do my best.
Leave it to us, Johnny boy.
This can only be Vicky. She must have gone this way. Oh, I'm so tired. I haven't gotten any sleep. That doesn't matter. I have to save the city.
Crocodile! You're finally here!
Don't worry, Wheels. I'll get you out of here in a jiffy. What's wrong with this thing?
Vicky shot at it before she ran away.
That makes it harder. But don't worry, we'll find a way.
None of our plans worked, and we haven't heard from Tigears yet.
I didn't want to do this, but these bars give me no choice. Wait for us, Tiger. It's lunchtime!
Leave me alone, Anima Bozo!
I can't keep up with her. I'm too tired.
Bye-bye, my friend.
I need some help if I want to catch her.
Tigears, how's the mission going?
Johnny, I can't keep up with Vicky. I'm so tired and she's so fast. I need some help.
I know exactly what you need. Activating Power Up.
That's much better.
You again? Go home and take a nap.
I won't rest until you are behind bars.
Good try, Anima Fool, but you will never catch me. Uh-oh.
Never say never, my friend.
I wouldn't miss twice, right?
No, it's not fair.
Thank you, guys. I'm so glad you managed to get Wheelifant out of the cell.
Yeah, we had to use alternative methods.
You ate the bars?
I guess this means you can't put me in here, right?
This means that the three of us must watch over you.
Wait, 3? You'll pay for this, animal fools, you'll see.
Where is he?
Meagle! Help! Help!
Don't worry, buddy. I got you.
Not so fast, Birdie.
Vicky.
Your little rescue mission is over.
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, I can't get to Ed because Vicky is chasing me.
Don't worry, Meagle. Help is on the way.
Thanks, Johnny.
Hi, Johnny.
Guys, I got 2 missions for you. Billdozer, you have to rescue Ed.
All right, boss.
And Batfly, Meagle's having trouble with Vicky. Can you help him?
Of course, Johnny.
I'll look for Ed down here, and you go find Meagle, okay?
Got it. Where are they? Huh? Oh no, Meagle! Look who decided to join! Fat loser herself! I won't let you get your way, Vicky!
Please, someone! Help!
Ed, are you all right, pal?
Yeah, but my foot is stuck and I can't get it out!
Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Come on, you can do it! Thanks, Billdozer. You're the best.
Ha! No worries. Eh? Huh?
You know what's more useless than one animal loser? Meagle, watch out! 2 animal losers! Now you really made me angry, Vicky! Ugh, that little villain is fast! I have to get help!
Hi, Batfly.
Johnny, I need your help to catch Vicky!
Sure thing. Activating power up.
Now this is the real deal. Oh no, we need to be faster. Come on, do something! Scared, Vicky? Vicky is never scared. Oh, you want to fight? Let's see how you like this. Well, you better fly fast now, you lazy thing. Even she knows this is over. Oh no, amazing evil genius down! Do you really think a little splash will stop me?
Nah, but we will.
Dang, you'll pay for this, animal fools! What are you doing, Rhino Trucks? That fly, what's gotten into you?
Hi, buddy. Everything okay?
Stop chasing me, please!
Chase you? What do you mean?
What? Great job, my sweet pets! AnimaTown will be ours!
Oh!
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, he has created an army of evil AnimaCars.
Are you all right, buddy? Rhino, are you there?
Hi, Johnny!
Guys, Vicky's wreaking havoc again, and Rhino Trucks is in trouble.
Don't worry, Johnny.
We'll take care of it.
We need to find those evil twins as soon as possible. Huh?
What's that?
Look over there.
I'll take care of that awful imposter, and you go help Rhino. Surrender, animal loser. We've run already.
Are you sure about that? Huh?
Well, this just got interesting.
Rhino is coming with me, Vicky.
No, Bill, he's a fake. I'm here.
Come on, honey. Let's show this fool what's good. She's good. No! Bullseye!
This is not going well, huh? Ouch! Huh? I need to get some help.
Hi, Billdozer.
Johnny, I need your help to defeat the evil twins.
Sure thing. Activating power up.
Now we're talking.
I thought this day would never come, but finally, AnimaTown is mine. This is a disaster. Why is Billdozer helping her? Not so fast, Vicky. Look who decided to show up. Oh no, Vicky is creating evil clones with her machine. Yes, I am, you dum-dum. And thanks to this, I'll rule over the city.
Not if we can stop you. Whoa! I'll take care of the machine. You distract those evil twins.
You'll never stop me, animal loser.
Looks like I'm about to do it.
My babies, they're gone! You'll pay for this, you wicked bull! I don't think so. Ew!
Not so fast, little girl. You still have to clean this mess up.
No!
Help me! I'm going to fall! Someone help me!
I'm coming, Bob!
I can't take it anymore!
Ugh. Ow!
Thanks, Bad Fly. You saved me!
Don't even mention it, pal.
Oh no! Watch out, Bad Boy!
Aw, phew.
Bad Fly, are you alright?
Yes, but I can't move.
I better call Johnny. This is Johnny. How can I help you? Johnny, it's Bob. The earthquake made a building collapse, and Badfly and I are stuck at the construction site. We need the Anima Squad.
Don't worry, Bob. I'm on it.
Hi, Johnny.
Billdozer, I need you to help Bob and Badfly at the construction site.
I'll take care of it. There they are! Whoa, that earthquake made a real mess, huh? Are you alright, guys?
We're fine, Bill, but we can't get out of here.
Huh?
Thanks, Billdozer, but we still have to get Badfly out.
Alright. Bob, help me. This rock is very big.
Thanks, guys. I'm light as a feather again.
Huh? What was that? Eh?
Let's find out.
Wait, don't leave me here.
Help! Please help me! Oh no! Ed is in danger! No! Thanks, Batfly. Bill, the debris is still going down the streets. We have to stop it.
Leave it to me. Oh no! I have to get rid of it before it's too late!
Hi, Billdozer.
Johnny, hurry up! I need the power up now!
Roger that. Activating power up.
Perfect! Let's go! One less. Only a few to go. Well, I'm done. No way! Whoa! Oh no, this doesn't look good.
I got your back, big guy.
Oh, you're amazing, Batfly.
Hey, you left without saying goodbye, guys. My sign! My materials! How am I going to build now?
What a great day. I love summer.
I know how to make it even better.
Ah! Oh no! She hypnotized rhino trucks.
Yes! I just love when animal fools follow my orders. Aha!
Hi, Sharksky. How can I help you?
Johnny! Vicky came and attacked Rhino! Ah!
Sharksky, you okay, buddy?
Hi, Johnny!
Guys, Vicky is wreaking havoc at the beach. Go and stop her.
Don't worry, Johnny!
We got this.
Where is that evil little girl?
Looking for me? Go get them, my new friend.
Watch out, Draco!
You won't win this time, anima fools.
Huh? Oh.
We have to do something, pal.
All right, you distract Rhino Trucks, but don't hurt him. I'll take care of the rest.
What? Hey! Hurry, Tigears!
Yes! I got him!
Oh!
You're going to pay for this, animal losers.
Oh!
Huh?
Watch out!
Give up, Vicky. You got nowhere to go.
Huh? Are you sure about that?
Oh no!
Now go get your foolish friend, little kitty.
No!
Everything fine, Draco?
Johnny, I need some help to catch Vicky.
All right. Activating power up.
I'll take care of you later, Tigears.
jealous of your friend, little Croco?
It's over, Vicky.
I don't think so.
Now you made me angry.
What are you doing? Come on, move, quickly! Help me, you fool!
Okay, but you have to get my friends back to normal.
All right.
Well done. Time to get Tigers and Rhino back to normal too.
I know. What are you doing?
I did it! Look, Draco! I caught Vicky!
What are you talking about? I stopped her first. Stop, Vicky! You have to return everything you've stolen!
Not today, Anima Fool. Not today.
Oh no!
Here's Johnny. How can I help you?
Hi, Johnny. I'm a bit stuck. I need some help to get out and catch Vicky.
I see. Don't worry, Draco. I'll take care of the problem.
Hi, Johnny. What happened?
Crocodile is stuck in the desert. I need you to go and free him with your drill.
All right.
Look what we have here.
Yeah, I was chasing Vicky, and I ended up like this. Can you help me?
I got you, pal.
Aha!
Oh. I think you're free now.
Yay! Thank you! But now we have to stop evil Vicky.
Let's do this.
That awful lizard is back and with another animal loser.
You won't get away with this, Vicky.
Are you sure about that?
Watch out!
Ah! Oh no! Crocodile, help me, please!
How is it possible that you are now trapped?
That's exactly what happened to you.
But what's the point of living in the past? That's it. Let's get Vicky once and for all.
It looks like Vicky is building some sort of machine.
Then we must stop her before she finishes it. I'm calling Johnny.
Hi, Hi, Crocodile. Everything okay?
Hi, Johnny. Vicky is plotting something. I need extra help to stop her.
Sure thing. Activating power up.
Aha! Now that I'm faster, no rocks will stop me.
Huh? Don't you ever get tired, Anima Fool. Aha!
Aha!
Take that! Ugh.
Back to you!
Goodbye! All right, I give up.
Now, return the pieces you've stolen.
Sure thing. Aha! Or maybe I won't.
Watch out! Eh?
Don't worry, I'll take care of that robot. Take that one.
Huh? No, not me. Go get them.
This time, I'm going to win.
Do you really think so? Huh? Wait, who's that? Phew! That was close. Thanks, Badfly. Bye.
Hello, Nora. How can I help you?
Vicky and a giant bull ant are attacking the competition.
Giant bull ants? Is anyone hurt?
Badfly's trying to make sure no one gets hurt, but I think he's gonna need help.
All right, I got it.
Hi, Johnny.
Tigears, I need you to go and help Badfly. Vicky's wreaking havoc with the giant bull ants.
Don't worry, I'm on my way. Badfly, what's going on? Where's Vicky?
Come this way, quickly. This idea is definitely one of the best I've ever had.
Stop right there, Vicky.
Okay, I'm not moving, but maybe my giant friend will. Yes! Watch out! Good job. right?
Oh no! What happened?
Vicky has a giant clone of you, and he's hit him.
No worries. I'll take care of him. Yeah!
Thanks, Boolance. I feel way better now.
You're welcome. But now we have to stop those two villains.
Come on, get the battery out now. I need it for my experiments.
What? We have to do something.
But if you confront him again, you'll end up hurt. Again.
I have an idea on how to stop him, but I'm gonna need your help, Batfly.
All right.
Tigears, you have to distract Boolance and Vicky from leaving here. Do you think you can do it?
I think so, but I'll call Jonny to get some help.
Great.
Hi, Tigears. Everything okay?
Jonny, I'm going to need extra speed to stop Vicky and that giant Boolance.
No problem. Activating power up.
Good job, Big Panda.
Hey!
Huh?
Huh.
Look who we got here. Finish the kitty. Now.
You won't get your way, Vicky.
I have to do everything myself.
Oh.
What?
Stop already!
Huh? Any last words?
The truth is, yes. But I just can't say the first thing that pops into my mind, you know?
Time is over.
Okay, how about if I just say, now? Yay! Good job, guys!
Oh, jeez! Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Well, have fun in prison!
I'll get you, anima fools. Yes! Boom! And now let's go. There is a lot to steal. Huh?
Hi, Nora.
Hi, Johnny. I think you should know that the dinosaurs escaped from prison. And I think it's because Vicky helped them.
All right, I'll send Tigears to investigate.
Hi, Jonny. What's the problem in AnimaTown?
Hi, Tigears. The dinosaurs escaped from prison. Can you go and investigate what happened?
Of course. I'll handle it. bust, Vicky.
What are you doing here?
Isn't it obvious? I'm here to stop the dinosaur you broke out of prison. And I'm taking you in too for stealing ice cream.
And how are you going to do that if we are 2 against 1? T-Rex truck after him.
Yes! Yes!
Surprise attack! Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Aha! This is going to be fun. One down.
We had a great time, darling, but you have to know when to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Sorry, T-Rex truck. I'll be back for you in a moment. Aha! Give up, Vicky. You can't escape justice.
How about you settle for the dinosaur truck and leave me to go free this time?
Never!
Well, okay, you asked for it.
Ah! Come on! Not now!
See you later, kitty cat. And now to eat this delicious ice cream.
If I don't do something now, she's gonna get away.
Huh?
Oh?
Hi, Tigears. Is everything all right?
Jonny, I need your help. Vicky has stolen all of Katie's ice cream, but I got stuck in mud and I can't chase her.
Roger that. Do you need the power up?
Aha!
In a second.
Perfect!
Not him again. Yuck. Ugh. Well, there's no way I'm letting him catch me. Yuck. Oh no, move! Phew.
You're under arrest, Vicky.
You just couldn't stay out of the way, could you? Ugh, it's useless.
Stealing is wrong, Vicky. Let's see if you learn this time.